Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th Classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapanjani by Reddy Pullimandal.
Chairman Dhansekaran. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Shivkumar from Ropes Organization. So today in 10th class, FA3 syllabus. In FA3 syllabus, the main important chapter coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry, so by simplify or by solve the problems, what are the formulas we are using to solve the problems? That's we are seeing. Okay, so first of all, what are the formulas we are using in the coordinate geometry in 10th class, chapter number 7? That's we will see first. See, first if we see this one, coordinate geometry. Seventh chapter. In this coordinate geometry, see formulas using. What are the formulas we are using in the coordinate geometry? So first we will see first one, distance formula. Distance of 2 points. Distance. See, finding distance. See, if A x1 y1 b x2 y2 are any 2 points, then distance between A and B, AB bar is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. This is the distance between the 2 points. Next, distance from origin. Important, origin 0, 0 to point A, x, y, x1, y1. So OA bar is equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square units. Based on this distance formula, in the public examination, we are going to face one problem. Okay, they will give the distance, that some units, then find x or find y. Like this they will give. So this is the distance formula importance. Okay. Next, see midpoint. See A x1 y1 b x2 y2, then AB midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So what is the point between A and B? If it is a midpoint P, then P, this is the P. AB midpoint P, then AB midpoint P is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Okay, right. Next to section formula. It is a very important section formula. section formula. See here I am doing simply. I will take so as per the textbook. Okay, that is a big diagram. Now simply I will explain. See, if it is a AB line segment, it is a P. It is dividing AB from internally. Now P is dividing P, the distance between AP, it is dividing in M ratio, and PB is N ratio. Then how to find? See, A x1 y1, P x comma y, C, B x2 y2. How to find the point P x comma y? So here P is dividing AB in the ratio M and N, and points of A and B are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then what are the coordinates of the P? That's we have to find. See here P is internally dividing. Okay, then what is the value of P? How do you find? See, if P is dividing AB line segment internally, then P x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is the formula to find the point P. So when it is dividing internally, then we have to add the ratio. We have to take plus between m and n. Okay, see, internally means adding. Blindly you have to remember this. See, when the point is dividing from internally, then the symbol between these two plus, that is how you fix in the mind. Okay, right. Next to P x comma y dividing AB line segment from externally, then P x comma y is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. This is the point P. When P is dividing AB line segment from externally, see the round diagram, it is AB line segment. Now here P is there. Now P is dividing this AB from externally. P x comma y, B x2 comma y2, C A x1 y1. Now here P is dividing AB externally. That is how it is dividing. See here, one is AP, another one BP. It is the distance, it is AB part, it is AP. So now it is dividing AP value M. Now it is BP. So this value is N. Okay, from this I want AB. So here AB, to find AB, then we have to find, AP minus BP. From this, AB is equal to AP minus BP. So from AP, to find AB, we have to minus. Here AP is M and BP is N. Okay, so this is the symbol. Okay, right. So based on this, here AP is to BP, is equal to M is to n, m is to n. Okay, from this if you want AB, then we have to minus, we have to do minus. So based on this the formula to find the P, when P is dividing from externally, then this is the formula, mx2 minus nx1 by m plus n, my2 minus n1y by ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so this is the finding. Is it clear? Right. Thank you everyone. If you understand this one, see here, this is the one. This is the coordinate geometry. This is the distance formulas. Distance between 2 points and distance from origin. Distance from origin formula and midpoint. This is the midpoint formula. And if you go to the section formula is very important. So it is internally. If point P is dividing internally, then to find the P coordinates plus. Next, if you want to, if P is dividing from externally, external గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మనకు P పాయింట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఇది ఫార్ములా. ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ వన్, ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.